Ibo all in the redule in Kastangishara diskit dolmane nasulgun sanazat. In chanting Ladakh Gelsa New Delhi Nange Delhi Hadinanga Dang Lieutenant Governor Kuzukstandel Zateno Zdepontang Zdepon Junbe Diring Jami Nange Nasa Soses Excord Zateno Ladas Nampe Chotu Executive Tuzmi Gun Diring Ildama Zateno Yang Pome nominated Chitus Dr. Yang Chandolma Diring Zatku Jigiskaps Una Kalajato Sankan Langas COVID-19 Nadams Nesh Kopchesla Karasal Tejukses Lak Parsangma Borches Tang Michik Tang Chike Parla Bargang Borchesi Tapslam Lamosum Lakle Nina Kwazat.
Three steps to stay protected and stay safe from COVID-19. Wear face mask, 2 gaz ki duri to maintain social distancing, maintain hand and face hygiene.
Kasatan Nasulgun Jipsal Zate Sanazat Ladakh Ujungas de Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur Dangelsa New Delhi Nange Delhi Hadinanga in chanting Ladakh Gozukstandel Zatenok Delhi Hadinanga Ladakh se Thakzo Tang Lakswe Chalakune Demston Tang Chonches La Chonsa Tansteyotenok Ladakh Ujungas de Gurpane Phala Ujungas de Jungchitalik Pe Yontan Aldanizo Tang Khams de Laskak Stete Laskak Sose Nanga Gozuk Somajik Chostenok Yang in chanting Ladakh Po Zota Kanga Yergas Tanchese inna chokse gozuk somajginok yang ibijaste yuljong sinange lakso tang thakzwe chala gayar gas chachesenok in chanting Ladakh nanga Ladakh se khak soso ne zopa dunchu tontu ge sangmange chala kun Delhi hat nanga demston chen jik tanganok dang Gozuk Gejaga Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur Sungsha Zadinjik Le Tankargil Urjonge Gamul Thagrings Bagune Lakswe Chalakun Gelkabi Gelsi Nanga Stanches Skaps Topches Ne Kongune Nanga Spospa Yongches Tang Chungla Sena Dotpa Sketches Enok Molinjik Izuk Molazats.
सभी लद्दाखी मानते हैं that it is sacred geography. It is something to be cherished. It is something to be respected. Something to be revered. What we are trying to do here today is not just expose you to Ladakh, but also expose Laddakhis to rest of the country. It is a process of knowing each other. Many a time I feel that people in rest of the country, they do not understand, they do not recognize, they do not appreciate what is Ladakh, what is happening there. One need not look at just the borders. One has to look at the richness of the culture, the richness of the civilization, richness of the products that are made there, and the innocence and the brilliance of the people of Ladakh. Now this is what we would like you to understand, for you to appreciate and get to know Ladakh as Laddakhis are trying to know more and more about it. I hope we are able to continue repeating this program in future also. This would enrich, I am sure, not just people of Ladakh.
Gozuk Stendele Zadgoina Ladakh se MP Jamiang Singh Namgyal Depon Techigelson Depon Feroz Ahmad Khan Lakswe Development Commissioner Shant Manu Zotaka Secretary Sogat Biswas Kun Thusajateno Delhi had Nanga Dang Gozuk Stendele Zadgo Skaps Center for Research on Ladakh Ngestonpa Ngang Chiring Shakspe Choktik Zadkhan Ladakh Review de Dunpa Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur Spela Zateno Etus Lieutenant Governor Re Sumpa Pe Chosne Ladakh se Sumdik Tanshezri Ge Toga Chagla Zadin Yotkan Basto de Zato Ladakh Ranchkon Chospe Depon Tachigelsan Tans Depon Jonba Chiring Chukune Diring Jammi Nanga Jammu Khachul Ujungas de BJP Ikchang Nanga Tipe Kongunla Ladakh Ranchkon Sospa Tukpa Chux testing ne Jammi Nanga Sujusto testing nes de Pontashi Gelsan Tans de Pon Jonba Chiring Chukune Construction Division Exen Nisar Hussein Tangyampo Jammu Muthi Nanga Ladakh Spapomo Loptukune Hostel Exkor Zate Loptukun Tangyampo Jalta Zate no Yangkon Exen La Hostel e Kampe Jixos Gorspa Choche Sika Salto Stingnes de Pon Tans de Pon Jonbe Jammi Nanga Ladakh Sarai Exkor Zato Itus Kong Tangyampo Construction Division Exen Ladakh Sarai Manager Delot Junior Engineer Kunjuk Stotpinjudu Gangs Depone Sarai Yanshker Sergeant Choche se Labja Salajato Diring Ladakh nangpe chokde ushkong tupstan chwange uthi de nanga Ladakh nang chok se jinskong gun damstenok skujap siring dorje lagrop thipa jonba gen cheong yangjur zanskar thipa jonba Dr. Siring Phunchok tongchi skujap tundup Rambirpur tongchi jonba skujap cheong gonbo domkar tongchi jonba skujap sa sonam wangchuk boto dinsa su phias ko ajateno I nasulkun ngejrang langesla all India radio lene sanchesla phulinjik tangen Ladakh Rangshkon Sospa Tukpena nominated Pomesh Chitus Dr. Yang Chandolma during District Principal and Session Judge Deepak Sethi Sangli Una Kalajateno.
Dr. Yang Chandolma Ladakh Rangshkon Region Yergas Hosting Le Chitus Laskol Ji has Conchok Bang Subote Gaga Gatkar Chenpe Sachim Stang Ladakh Jinchengi Sachim Dak Minas Tripur Juin Yang Namjen Sujitla Chok Jet Pangse Mimang Ji Yergas Handetang
Rzonspone conference hall nanga una kalche se jat ko taltik jat khane nanga Rzonspon Srikant Balasaheb Suse Rzonge Timspon Spalzangmo Rangshkong Chokspe Jinskong gun Chitus gun BJP Rzonge Thipa Tashi Gelsan Khachu Thete Jan Takjan gun Thusa Jateno una nam testing ne Dr. Yang Chandolme Chituse Chulla Khongrae Lasne Tusa de Ringsla Pomo gunne Tonsa Tang Delte Charla Jachesi Local Sala Jadinjik Izukmola Jats
Nyete Rewa Nangyang ne Sama assurance fulfilling ki as a nominated councillor for women nyet shik ngara capacity na yot kan young as per developmental funds kazuk allotted to tegun timely nang efficiently utilized just the sama ta khaskar pomo ne development sama priority tang se ne last se rewa oten na
Kamzelas kunsle choksne dansan las pelkan sarpelege nangshin dangle tangkargil erzong nisko ne positive report chigang mabianok yang dangle ne natpangis galte phute nok dangle ne natpangis galte phutesting ne taladak se nanga coordinate pe tanska jipchu japji otenok inang ni shustaruk le ne tangchop gat kargil ne nok yang dang le nam tuthangka bespastong chik gadang gat la tang kharchanja khalse check post ka minda dun gup Chuk Abdullah screening chosteno natpajia covid sman khana asman schedule injiktanok le nanga natpal dun tangkargil na natpa chupdun rangrang thangpena so swaborti yotenok natpa chupsi covid care center le tang natpa chik facility isolation center le nanga yotenok Municipal Committee le thipe choste spelkan sarpelege nangjin COVID vaccine salse nasika chanska immune choches la khamse khakur patang nyampo jalta salte thakchat len testing ne le thumse nangai thomir gan bagun la vaccine ward eldane ka thores yangna march chesine phala tangse sinok yang thore ward number chukshik yangna mane cheding ne mimang school la ngatok chuchot argune pitok chuchot Tuk Chukpa Heart Foundation ka vaccine lena skot nyanche senok jan ward chukni se thogun thore spelche senok yang ward member kun rangra sana si thommi gan bagunla vaccine tangtus ezixtos zadala covid vaccine chona seka jugs kosteino Korzok sanasis chitus skarma namda ge shatkhan nangshin khanna ge gela mekane kha then testing ne thore nephala mimang skuni kharnak yarla gyute motor kholo changtang thupche senok Khelo India National Winter Game Mispa Nitup Gulma ke nanga chaka ne nanga team Ladakh ke khak lente Nusrat Fatima Dechendolkar Farhana Ilyas tang Zahida Batul Chani Ice Talk Sports team e esere takma chuknis tang mul takma chik lente nok inang nanga pome khage team game team target team long distance tang individual long distance thete nok yang short track speed skating e nanga Ladakh team e tangpo rang khak lente skater changma semi final team na lepste nok salpa chushot pa Mamad Sadip be senior khak na meter stong chik tang Chige reses tinjuge dandurena lepste salpa nishui nangne ang shngape ka lustenok la taranskon sospe depon tashigelsan tans depon junba jinskong tang chitus gune salpa gulla tashidelek justo yangs depon salpa gune I salpa gun I chade ka lep jukjes la coach tang mantas gulna stoda jato All India Radio lene nasulthon kasata delchat sanajat